we're gonna check out a couple of things. There's a staircase here. We're gonna get a tunnel that goes underneath this railroad grade I'm on right now. I mean, it's stable enough. I might go up that tower in a while. Really all depends, you know. I'll go in there in a minute. First I'm going on this. That's barred off. I've already been over there. Ooh, looks like I need my light. It's really drippy. Ah, it's cool. Bunch of heavy machinery and stuff. Because the door at the ground level for this one is, well, it's bolted shut. That one right there. Oh, shit. Oh, it's water coming off of the conveyor belt. Oh, that's cool. Let's see if I can make it flow any quicker. Back out. Yeah, I slept, oh, you can't see it right now. Slept here last night. Pretty cool rocky place, honestly. This tunnel goes, I don't know, like 100 feet or so. Oh, Spideys. Ooh, it cools off really nice. I don't know how well you can see, but it might just be my eyes. Oops. It's been grown in. Ooh, that's water there. I wonder if the building here is still flooded. Ooh. Yeah, it seems like it's gonna be. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going in there today. Fuck it. I'll at least try. Not happening. It seems So this building may be flooded. Yeah, flooded it is. Oh, there's another fucking door right here. Fuck, 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 fuck. God damn it. Cool. A good idea, I guess.